Introducing Cozy Craftworks, your new favorite way to unwind. For anyone from ages 8 to 108, our gorgeous soft craft kits include everything except the scissors. Perfect for a couple of hours of relaxing, easy crafting and me time. Grab a warm mug, your favorite chair, and cozy up with Cozy Craftworks. Here's how to make the Wise Owl Craft Kit. This video includes step-by-step instructions for easy assembly. Keep in mind, you may have to go back and undo and repeat a step here and there as you're learning. But this is a really forgiving craft. Just take your time, pause the video where you need to, and if you get really stuck, you can always reach out to us at help@weveal.com. Now let's get crafting. Here's what's in the kit. 1 deluxe fluffy gray chenille craft stem, 2 yellow fuzzy craft stems, 1 white fuzzy craft stem, 2 black eyes, a pair of gold tone glasses, and a mini bottle of glue. You're going to need to grab a pair of fresh scissors. Fabric scissors are best, but good paper cutting scissors also work. A thin tool like a pen, pencil, or chopstick, and a ruler if you have one. We also have a downloadable printable ruler linked in the video collection page. To start, let's take the gray fluffy chenille stem and unfold it, pressing it flat. Measure out about 4.5 inches or 10 to 12 centimeters long. That's about the length of 2 average thumbs. Bend this at a 90-degree angle. At that point, wrap it around your pointer and middle finger 3 times total. Twist the 2 ends together to secure and tighten. Now slide it off your fingers. Hold the shorter end of the stem in one hand. With the other hand, find the little opening in the center of those loops you just made. You can reinforce that hole with a pen or pencil. Take the longer end and weave it through the hole from the left side, top going down, then again from the right side, top going down. And finally from the back going down a third time through the same hole, like shown. Make sure not to pull the chenille too tight. This way the head will stay full and evenly shaped. Gently adjust the shape to make it look nice and round. Twist the 2 ends together twice to secure everything. And there's your basic owl's head. Now let's start the wings. Take the longer end of the stem and fold about 2.5 inches or 6 to 7 centimeters to the left and back. Then fold the same length to the right and back to center. Make sure they're about the same length before you move on. Twist the base of each wing twice to secure in place. Now bend the long stem downward and to the right. Leave about 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter of the shorter stem at the bottom. Place 2 fingers behind the body and begin wrapping the long stem around them, from bottom to top to form the round shape. When you reach the neck area, cross and wrap the stem diagonally across the body and neck area, once in each direction to secure it. Keep wrapping until the entire stem is used up. Press in the end and tuck into the body to secure. Finally, bend that short bottom piece of stem upward on the back to hold everything in place. Adjust the body to make it nice and round and gently bend the wings downward so that they slightly hug the sides. And just like that, your owl's body is done. If you'd like, take a little time now to fluff and smooth and trim the body and just make sure that it's nicely shaped. Now let's start the feet. Take 1 yellow chenille stem and cut it in half. Measure about 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters from one end. Fold it downward, then fold it upward again at about 1/2 inch or 1.5 centimeters. Repeat this folding pattern to create 4 V-shapes in total. Now, twist the two pieces of chenille together where they cross to hold everything in place. Pinch all 4 toes tightly. Then bend each toe upward first, then downward to shape into little toe joints. Trim the tips of those toes to make them a little more pointed, and now your owl's foot is ready. Repeat the above steps again to make a second foot. Before gluing, you're going to want to trim the fluff near the base of the legs to help them stick better. To open your glue, unscrew the cap and applicator tip and remove the shipping cap before you try to use it. Replace the tip. Add some glue and attach the feet to the bottom of the owl's body. You'll need to let these sit and dry for a little while, but you can keep working on your owl. Now for the face details. Take a white chenille stem and bend the tip to start curling it into a spiral. Keep coiling until you get a small circle about 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter in diameter, then trim. Repeat this one more time. You'll need 2 of these little spirals. Next, grab your eyes and place one right in the center of each white circle. Add a bit of glue to the back and carefully attach them to the owl's face. Use the packaging for reference. Take a yellow chenille stem and fold it at about 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter from the end. Give it a little pinch. Wrap it into a small loop, then trim off the extra stem. Shape the beak into a neat point and trim it. Add a bit of glue and stick it right below and between the eyes. Again, use the picture on the packaging for reference. Let that dry at least an hour so you can complete the final step, but the glue will cure in about 12 hours or so. At the end, let's put the glasses on our little owl's face. And there you have it. With his tiny gold rimmed glasses and bookish expression, it's like a wise little professor deep in thought. Your adorable little companion to sit on your desk, your bookshelf, to give as a little gift and say hello in everyday moments. We are so glad you took some time to make a cozy craft with us, and we hope you'll take these skills and come back for more cozy craft time with us. We absolutely love seeing photos and videos of how you've made this your own, so tag us or email us with your completed craft. And don't forget to check us out on Instagram at cozy.craftworks.